Hi, my name is John Platero, and I'm the Director of Education for the National Council for Certified Personal Trainers, and I'm going to show you something very exciting today, how to load weights on a barbell. This is a 7-foot Olympic bar. We're going to load the weights onto the barbell. Now, what's cool about this is we're on an inclined squat rack, and so you see the supports are very far away from the middle of the bar. So something you have to realize that if you're loading a barbell, and that's what this means, it's a barbell, not a dumbbell, is that if these supports were very closer to the midline and you put a weight on one side and there's no weight on the other side, it's going to flip that bar over. So you want to make sure that you either have the barbell or you're loading a barbell on something with a wide supports, or if you're not, that you have someone to help you. So I'm lucky I have Jillian to help me. So we're going to load a 25-pound plate. So you just grab the plate, it's got handles on it, you put it on all the way to the end, and then you grab a collar. There's a couple different kind of collars. This is a spring collar because it's got a spring. Well, it just squeezes. And it's simple as that. Take it off, you squeeze the collar, pull it off, drop it, take the plate off, and put it on. Okay? Now if you're going to get a heavier plate that's on the ground, you have to bend from your knees. Right? Grab the plate, put it on, right? And then put the collar on. Now because I'm on this incline bench, I could take this weight off. Don't take it off, Julian. And it won't flip over. See, it won't flip off because that bar or that weight is being supported by the inclined squat rack really close to the weight. I'm John Platero, and that was how you load barbells.